Good morning, all. I'm KM Kulkarni from Trinity Academy of Engineering. So today I'm going to take the webinar on two sessions. That is, first one will be on Certify EM. That is how to generate a certificate by using Google Forms. And after that, the second session I will take on blog creation with a gap of 15 minutes. So let's start with our first session, that is Certify EM. So I will share my screen. So this is my screen, and I have opened my Gmail ID. In that, I had gone to my drive, and I have selected one form which I have already created. That is CCA practical exam. This is for practical exam of students. So I have created that. Then next one, if I have to generate a certificate, I have to go for this, clicking on these three dots, then add-ons. Then in add-ons, I have to type Certify EM. Then I will click on this, and here I will click on install. As I installed already, so it will not show install option. It will be enabled for those who are not installed. You can install it and click on next and finish button, and you will get these options. Okay, so I will close it. After installation, you will observe here one add-ons option. In that, whatever the add-ons you have added in the Google form, that will be visible to you. Then Certify EM, click on Certify EM. In that, after clicking on Certify EM, just I will refresh it. Meanwhile, you can try the things which I have told. So here the option Certify EM is coming. I hope you have tried in this mid span. So in that, the option is visible, that is enable Certify EM for this quiz. So I will enable that thing. When I will click on enable, one window will appear, and Certify EM is now enabled for use in this quiz. That is, we have to click on get started. So here one window will appear at the right side. You can observe there. So here certification is off. So we have to turn it on. So it will show please wait option. We have to wait patiently. So this certification is on now. Then link to exam we have to click. Yes, for this exam, you have to link that thing. Yes, we have to click on link to exam. Then certificate records. These are the certificate records to whom which we have to do the certificate. That is our criteria. We are going to fix. So passing criteria is 80%, but that's not the good criteria. We have to set it to 40%. So it is saving my changes. Now templates are there. So if I will click on any of the template, it will show our regular template, which is already with Google. but I will select use a custom template. So when I will use a custom template, then I have to select a new file. So one of the certificate which I have created, that I will select. Remember, when I will select the Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, convert it to Google Slide, then it will not take. I have to create the certificate in Google Slides itself. Means what? I have to go first my drive, then I have to go for slides option here. Then I have to select, that is certificate of coordination. This is NMO certificate. The certificate formats which I have created, you can create it as it in the same way. So for that purpose, I will select the not select the PPT. I will select just the Google slide which I have created. So here one certificate of coordination. Yes, any format you can decide. So here, instead of name, instead of name, I have to go for typing this double curly bracket and type here full name and close the curly bracket. If you want to give the date, you can go give date by same way, and you can define these things very easily. Now you can change this matter also, and you can go for the signs, edit, and after that you can close the certificate because all changes will be saved automatically. Then I will go for use a custom template, set up your new certificate. I will select a new file. I will select that file only which I have created now. This one I will select certificate of coordination, save changes. Now this is this has shown. So email me sample I will do. I will wait for some time. You can practice it. Meanwhile, I will open my mail ID and I will be waiting for sample email. So here my sample certificate. Now it is showing the name of Lisa Simpson. Lisa Simpson. Remember there I have typed here Lisa Simpson. Instead of Lisa Simpson I have typed their full name. So it is showing now Lisa Simpson which is there standard name. Whenever your student or any staff which is entering your quiz, which is submitting your quiz, that particular staff name will be visible instead of Lisa Simpson name. You can make changes automatically. After that, one more setting which I would like to tell you, that is more advanced settings are there. These are loading. So here, thank you for your submission. If you passed, you will receive printable certificate shortly. You can change this message also. If any yoga day, dance day, music day, any day is there, or any practical exam is there, and you want to give some message to the participants, then you can go for changing this message. Then name of sender you can change, subject of email. Right now it is not that much important, so you can practice this. So this is all about Certify EM and the generation of e-certificate through your Google form. You can comment for queries in the live chat box. It will be open. Okay, thank you. Now in next session, we will be having next session after 10 to 15 minutes tentatively. So in next session, we will meet with block creation. Thank you.